Hello everyone, welcome back to BlackX Studio. Do you know that Google has opened early access to its ChatGPT rival Bard? Oh, you don't? Then let's go and talk about it. Google is opening up limited access to Bard, its ChatGPT rival. It will be initially available to the selected users in US and UK and the users able to join the wishlist at bard.google.com. Though Google says the rollout will be slow and has offered no date for the full public access. Bard offers users a blank text box and an invitation to ask questions about any topic. However, they have given a well-documented tendency to these both to invest information. Google is stressing that Bard is not be able to replace its search engine, but rather a complement to search, a bot that users can bounce idea off, generate writing drafts, and just chat about life. In a demo of Verge, Bard was able to quickly and fluidly answer a number of journal queries, offering advice on how to encourage a child to take up bowling, and recommend a list of popular heist movies. Bard generates 3 responses to each user's query. Though the variation in their context is minimal, and underneath each reply is a prominent Google search button that redirects users to the related Google search. As with ChatGPT and Bing, there is also a prominent disclaimer underneath the main text box warning users that Bard may display inaccurate or offensive information that doesn't represent Google views. Although the chatbot is connected to the Google search result, it could not fully answer a query on who gave the press briefing on White House. It was unable to correctly answer a tricky question about the maximum load capacity of a specific washing machine, instead investing 3 different but correctly answers. Repeating the query did retrieve the correct information, but users would not be able to know which was which without checking an source like a washing machine manual. This is a good example. Clearly the model is hallucinating the load capacity. There are number of numbers associated with this query, so many times it figures out the context and spit out the right answer, and other times it gets it wrong. It is one of the reasons that Bard is an early experiment. Well, that is all for today. If you like the content, please subscribe to the channel and we will see you next time. Until then, bye bye.